Good afternoon. Today we will continue to study about the fifth type of clause that consists of a subject, a phrase of a transitive verb, an object, or an objective complement. We have focused on the trait of the objective complement. Firstly, we have studied the case that the objective complement is an indication. In the third example, there is an objective complement to have been cited that is classified as a to infinitive, as a phrase of a to infinitive. The to infinitive to have is applied as an indication. So we can understand that the subject considers the plan as a purposed completion of an experience in the future. Because of the definition of the preposition to. In the purposed completion of experience, the plan, the object of this clause, is purposed to receive the definition of the transitive verb site from an unstated subject. The speaker assumes that an unstated subject conveys the action indicated by the transitive verb site to the object, the plan, during the period when the object, the plan, exists. So the speaker reveals the assumption that the experience of the object, the plan, to receive the experience in the relationship with the unstated subject finishes with the past participle cited that has the trait of the objective. There is the fourth example. I consider it drinking a bottle of coffee. The speaker considers the object indicated by the personal pronoun it and the phrase of the gerund drinking a bottle of coffee the same. So we can understand the object indicated by the personal pronoun it is able to be stated on a period as the basis of the action indicated by the transitive verb drink applied as a gerund drinking in this clause. The speaker defines the object it to receive the definition of the transitive verb consider as the phrase of the gerund drinking a bottle of coffee that practices the role of the objective complement. The only word drinking that is a gerund defines the object it in the objective complement. This means that the gerund is the core word in the phrase of the gerund, which has the function, which has the role as an objective complement. The gerund drinking indicates an action that lasts during a period. Because of the trait signified by the form of the gerund, the transitive verb drink, and the suffix ing. The suffix ing reveals that the action indicated by the transitive verb drink lasts during a period. The fifth example is this. He introduces the alarm having been rung. In this class, we can understand that the speaker intends to define the object, the alarm, with an experience lasting until the present. The alarm is defined by a phrase of a gerund having been rung. The object, the alarm, is defined as an object that lasts the experience until the present when the speaker states this clause. As we've studied before, the point in time called the present can be deviated according to the speakers. A speaker can define the present with a period of a year or a minute. We can, from this fact, we can understand that the point in time defined as the present can be specified into the segmented period. The speaker defines the object, the alarm, with the experience that keeps ringing from a point in the past until the present, and the present when the object is defined to exist is specified into a little or a diminutive period. During the diminutive period, the speaker emphasizes the fact that the object, the alarm, keeps the action indicated by the transitive verb ring. At the very moment when the speaker states the clause at the present, the object, the alarm, keeps ringing. And the speaker focuses on the fact that the action of the alarm started from a point in the past, and this focus is revealed by the form of the objective complement to define the object with an experience lasting at the present. The speaker defines the object, the alarm, to receive the definition of the transitive verb introduces as a phrase of a gerund having been wrong that practices the role of the objective complement. The speaker defines the object, the alarm, as an experience that lasts during a period from a point in the past to the present when the definition of the transitive verb introduces actualizes. The speaker describes the period when the object, the alarm, exists with a past participle being that has the trade-off on a verb. The past participle being reveals that the existence of the object during the period when the experience lasts is a way of the object, the alarm, responding to the period. The period when the object, the alarm, exists is the object of the gerund having not stated clearly. The period that is the subject in the relationship between the period and the object, the alarm, receives the existence of the object, the alarm, as the response. So the past participle being, which has the trait of the adverb, is appropriate to describe the object, the alarm, existing during the period. The past participle wrong with the trait of the adjective reveals that the object, the alarm of the transitive verb introduces receives the action indicated by the transitive verb ring from an unstated subject. The transitive verb ring is the original form of the past participle wrong. So the speaker reveals a relationship between the object and the objective complement in this class in the passive voice